In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily lock hidden photos on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app, and first of all let me show you how we can hide photos. So guys, just open up some album, and if we want to hide one particular photo, we can long press on it and select hide, then hide photo. What that will do, that will immediately move this particular photo to hidden album. If we want to hide multiple pictures at once, we can first off select them, then tap at three dots and tap at hide. In this way we can hide multiple photos in one tap. So if we go to albums back, we can just scroll down until we find that hidden album, and as you can see now, I can tap on it to see all my hidden photos. And now let me show you how we can easily lock that album. So we can hop out photos for now, and we need to open up settings. Then scroll down until you find the photos, and then that's where we can find use Face ID feature. We can just tap on it, and then if we go back to photos, we can see that now hidden album and recently deleted albums are locked. So we have to use Face ID to get access to that albums. Just like that. And also in the settings we can turn off the option which is called Show Hidden Album to hide it from your albums. So if we go back to our albums, we can see that hidden album is no longer located right there. That's how you can easily lock or hide hidden photos on your iPhone.